Okay, so there's been a lot of talk about hand washing lately, and I wanted to talk a little bit about proper technique for hand washing. So the best way to wash your hands to prevent transmission of the virus is to use regular old sink and regular old soap and water. So the first thing you want to do is turn on the sink soap to go ahead and get your hands soapy. You want to go ahead and wash your hands for about 20 seconds. And that means getting in between your fingers and getting your fingers completely wet with the soap and water for 20 seconds. Now, some say you can do this 20 seconds by singing happy birthday twice, but I have a secret issue with that because I can't carry a tune well enough to sing happy birthday even once. So 20 seconds later, then you can go ahead and rinse your hands. And then what you can do is use a paper towel or hand towel to turn the sink off. You can use a hand towel also to dry your hands. And the other thing that can be helpful is to use a hand towel to get out of the bathroom. We use it on the door handle, and then we drop it in the trash, and we're on our way. Now, washing your hands with soap and water is the best way to get your hands clean, but hand sanitizer is a great second option. If you have hand sanitizer available, this works too, and it is the best thing to use if you don't have a sink and regular soap available. Either one of those will kill the virus and keep any disease transmission down in the community.